In 1876, Charles Wheeler invented the mop and bucket, taken over the market by storm.
This is the best solution ever invented. Now I can clean my floor in just a fraction of the time.
And now, with all our inventions and technological capabilities, most people still clean with the mop and the bucket. It was time for a change. It was time for the I-Mop. And after 10 years of I-Mop, adjusting every detail, adding brand new features, inquire, innovate, and inspire. Turning ideas from the market into functionality. Well on its way to craft the next generation of I-Mops. Presenting our best I-Mop ever. The I-Mop 40. Ready to change the way you think about cleaning.